These Stickman videos are going viral and getting millions of views. This YouTube channel has over 13 million subscribers and receives a huge number of views. As you can see, its most popular videos have over 254 million views. We can see that its estimated monthly earnings are between $12,000 and $185,000. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos. First, go to the description and open the document. This document contains a master prompt. Copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and it will generate 10 video ideas for you. From those 10 ideas, choose one, or you can ask ChatGPT to generate even more ideas. For this tutorial, I'll choose idea number 9. ChatGPT will then generate image prompts and video prompts for the following scenes. If you want to make your video longer, simply type more scenes, and it will generate additional scenes for you. Now, copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. In Google Flow, use these settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. It will create an image for you. Next, we need to animate the image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt of Scene 1. Return to Google Flow, click on the image, then click Animate. Now in Settings, select Video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose Video 1x, select the Omni Flash model, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Google Flow will generate the video for you. Once it's ready, open the video and move to the last frame. Click Save Frame to save it. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, and repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. Keep saving the last frame of each video and use it as the starting point for the next scene to create a smooth transition. After all the videos are generated, download them and import them into your favorite video editor. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. Arrange all the clips in the correct order. Export the final video, and you'll have a complete Stickman video. Here's the one I created in this tutorial.
Just one cookie.
If you learned something new, like the video and share it with your friends so they can earn too. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.